Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW and you need to disconnect your fuel line. It doesn't matter if you have a 4, 6 or V8 engine guys, that procedure may apply to it if you have that design of fuel line. We'll explain what we're talking about. And usually your fuel line will come with a special device that you need to compress to release the fuel line. But if it's missing, we'll explain what else you can use. So make sure to stay until the end, and you need to follow a few safety procedures to make sure you don't catch yourself and your car on fire. Otherwise guys, that could be catastrophic. So we'll explain what we usually do at the shop, and if you're not qualified guys, I wouldn't recommend to do it. Now, all the tools guys and parts that we use, we share the links in the description of the video below. That way if you need to buy something for your BMW, you can check where we get all our parts from. In addition, every single car that we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Let us show you what we have here. Specifically, we have N52 gasoline engine, but even if you have a different engine, and we'll remove the engine cover, and you have guys a fuel line that looks kind of like this one right here. Stay with us and we will explain guys okay how to do that. In our case, we'll need to clean everything so we can get to it, okay, and we can show you with a great detail. Now, before we start, let me tell you something guys. If you have a car, check this channel out. This is our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. It's growing really fast. We have helped millions of people, and we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars on car diagnostics, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses and relays. So very helpful information will be shared there. Now, things that you need to do. Number 1, disconnect your car battery. Why? Because you don't want to have charge in your electrical system. That way you can minimize the chance for a spark to occur. Number 2, the BMW fuel system can self-activate itself to pump pressure, and that can happen if you even open your driver door in some cases. So you want to make sure that you don't have the battery connected. That way, okay, the fuel line will not spray fuel anywhere. Number 3 guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, and which one you reconnect first. Because if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to your electrical system, you can burn the engine computer, other modules as well. And we've done that in the past, believe me guys, it cost us $2,000 for a new computer, so you don't want that to happen. All that being said, let's explain what else you need to do. Get a fire extinguisher on the place. Why? Because you can catch yourself and your car on fire. Do that only on a very cold engine. Use gloves and eye protection as well. So this is guys the fuel line. What do we need to do now? You can see you will have that special device. If you're missing that, we'll explain how you can still do it. With that special device being there guys, okay, you can see the fuel line moves a little bit when you pull it back and forward. We'll need to compress it all the way in, and when we compress it all the way in, at the same time we're going to compress that blue thing inside the line, and then we'll start pulling both of them out. You will start leaking fuel. Be careful guys, we already leaked our fuel out because we didn't want to get on the camera, but you get the idea. We disconnected it. Now if you're missing that special device, you can use one of those tools guys. Check it out, and we'll share the link in the description of the video below. With the help of that tool, you're going to get on top of the fuel line, and with that tool you're going to go underneath, okay, the fuel line, and use this tool instead of what we had right here, and you will be able to disconnect it that way, because maybe somebody didn't install that part or broke it when they were trying to disconnect it. When you're ready to reconnect that line, pretty simple. Grab it, push it all the way in. Check it out now. Make sure it clicks. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Make sure it's not loose. Perfect. Now, later, start your car and inspect for gasoline leaks and make sure it's not leaking, because if it's leaking, you will need to replace it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.